It was 1961 in Japan when the engineers came up with this lens. This is the Nikkor-Q 200 millimeter f4 auto vintage lens. This is a prime lens, and we're going to look at what it can do today here on Columbus Avenue and West 62nd Street in New York City. Let's look at a few photographs this lens can take on the Nikon Z50, and then we'll come back and talk about all the gorgeous specifications. Roll the tape, Margaret. Okay guys, now that you've seen a few photographs of what this lens can do, I have to tell you a few specifications about it. All right, like I said, it was made in 1961 in Japan, all metal construction, 4 glass elements, that's it, just 4 pieces of glass that make up this beautiful lens. The number of aperture blades, which you can clearly see, there's 6 of them. The minimum focus distance is only 7 feet to infinity.
Keep those hands up for tonight again.
Now, in 1961, this lens sold, of course, for film cameras at the price of $190. Now, in 1961, $190 would be valued at $2,116 today. Next, it's all manual. There's nothing automatic about it. There is no autofocus. There is no auto aperture. There is no optical image stabilization. This is old school. Now, let's look at a few more photographs, and then we'll come back and do some more specifications. How did I shoot these photos on the Nikon Z50? I shot these photos in aperture priority f8. Now, I had to use a pretty high ISO. I used ISO 2000 to make sure I got a nice steady shot using a high shutter speed. So now this is a 200 millimeter lens on an APS-C crop sensor camera, which means that there is a crop factor of 1.5, giving me the reach of a 300 millimeter lens. Because you take the millimeter, which is 200 on the lens, times 1.5, and it gives you 300 millimeter equivalent if this was a 35 millimeter camera.
There's no words to sing anymore. I haven't a clue why you went away. I only know you And so I just listen to rain as it falls to the ground and washes the day away.
How much do these cost? These cost anywhere from $35 to $120, depending upon its condition. All right, a few more fun facts. It has a metal lens shade. It has an aperture ring. Okay, the aperture ring right here, as you can see, goes from f4 to f22. Camera with this is the Photosay Nikon F to Nikon Z, right? FTZ. But it's a dumb adapter. These are under $20. There's no electronics because you don't need electronics in the adapter because this lens has none.
Nothing to show and no place to go. So here in my room I stay. I don't know that I could forget you, no matter how hard I try. I'm all alone and honestly
So this is the Photosay Nikon F to Nikon Z adapter, and you get complete range of focus from the minimum, which is 7 feet, to infinity. Also, the front element, if you wanted to, you could put on 52mm filters. Now, just a few more things. Give me a thumbs up. Comment below as to what country you're watching my videos in. Subscribe